Hey everyone! On behalf of the Sea Otter Classic team, I want to welcome you to cycling's premier digital event, Sea Otter Play. Whether you're new to the sport or an experienced cyclist, I'm sure you'll be entertained and inspired. Head over to the expo to check out many new products and chat with some of your favorite brands. Enjoy the webinars in our stadium and be sure to check out the movie premiere by Warren Miller Entertainment, The Ritual. Chill out in the lounge while engaging in a discussion board or ask some questions to our help desk. Kids love Sea Otter, and we've incorporated the Kids Zone in Sea Otter Play. You'll find lots of fun activities for our youngest fans in the Kids Zone. As you navigate through the festival, you'll earn points towards many prizes and awards. I hope you are one of our many winners and take home a new bike or other great prizes provided by our sponsors. Now, head on in and check out Sea Otter Play.